dot dot dot, so let me also dot dot dot, hee hee, he 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 he, kinda like my status, you will get your hashtag TBH dot dot dot, try out, wink, y in bracket.
How far? There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good wherever you are. So today's video is going to be different than my usual ones because more or less every video that I've uploaded in my channel till now are vlogs, and except one where I answered a Q&A kind of. So this one is definitely not going to be a vlog, as you've guessed from the title. So few days ago I was going through my Facebook and a notification popped up saying that I have got some old memories on Facebook. So I checked them out. Basically it's about the old posts or photos that I've uploaded, or if someone had tagged me. So immediately something came on my mind that I should made a video on in which I am reacting to those posts and videos. But yeah, so I thought that why not make a video on it, and here we are. So in short, today we are going to react to those old posts and photos. So without further ado, let's get into the also video. Before we get into the video, a little thing. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please.
Hi.
Okay.
The first we have here is this photo. It's from 2014. I opened Facebook, I guess, around 2014 because this photo is one of the earliest ones. Also back then I didn't have smartphone, or a matter of fact any phone. I used to borrow my parents' phone to click photos and secretly upload them on Facebook. I had no idea about my Facebook account, but I used to secretly upload photos and upload statuses on Facebook. But of course, at one time I told them about it, and yeah, so the phone didn't have any front camera or anything like that. It had a back camera, and I used to click the photos, like I used to turn the camera towards me, and I was to click the photo from back camera, and it was like this. It was difficult, not like that, and the picture quality also isn't that good because of course it's not today's smartphone. It's from way back from 2014. Now it's 2021, so it's quite old. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have this one from 24th March 2015, and the last one was from 2014, from I guess 7th October, so it's almost a year later. And we have this photo here. I actually kind of look sweet here. I like this photo. I still have these specs, you see. I'm not wearing a different, like similar one as these. That's a different spec. So I like this photo, and there's also a caption, which is, people will always. I had written, or I used to write in Facebook with such things. God. I wrote will just as double L. Like that was the short form of will that was popular back then, or I don't know why I wrote that. And I've written people will always appreciate your, and I have not written YOUR. I have written you are, just you are. Again, your kindness, and also I have shortened, and also I have just written ND. Honesty over any form of compensation, the only thing that matters. As you can see, I have not written that THAT. I have just written DAT. So that if we pronounce it in the correct way, it stands as dat. I really don't know why you should do that right like this. That matters is, and I have also shortened is as S. The bliss your soul, and again your is you are. Your soul radiates when it is honored. It is of course S that I've written here. Honored, just be wonderful you. So B is again just be, and you is just you. So yeah, back then this SMS kind of language used to go on, and it was popular, but now it's totally, when I look back at this kind of writing, I find it totally cringeworthy. And let's move to the next. So the next one here I have is from 2015, 20th October 2015. It's from Durga Puja. I clearly remember this. I still have this dress. We went to see Udan Shongo. People who have visited Udan Shongo for a few years or so. It's from 2015. It's not that old actually. You guys might remember one thing that they did was that making those huge sunflowers and all. If you live in Kolkata, by the way, you should remember that. So anyways, this photo is from here. I clearly remember this one. I went out with few friends, and by the way, that dress does not fit me now. Of course I don't. And I also have a caption here. Apologize for cropping out few people. Exclamation mark. Shop to me. Love. Again, love is not LOVE, it's LUV, but it's still bearable than the will one. Okay, next let's move on to the next. So here now we have this photo with Shushita. You have seen her in my last video, and this one is also from 2015, 4th October 2015. This was the first time she visited my house. We actually went to tuition, and she came from there. It was random thing. I just told her, let's go to my house, and she was like, okay. And that was the first time she came to my house. And you can also see this photo was clicked in Retrika. Retrika was very popular thing back then. People were mad with Retrika. Literally, everyone used to click photos on Retrika and they used to upload. And there's also a caption, cause she wanted me to. And again, to is not TO, it's just to. To DP this. And again, this is not THIS, it's DIS. Oh my god. And I've also written, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, that is a good caption. I appreciate myself. I am sure I googled it. I'm pretty sure I googled it. And also, I have not written is, I have written just S. This photo is kind of sweet, one of our oldest photos. Okay, so next here we have this one. It's from 5th March 2016. And I actually like this photo. It's also clicked in a back camera, and from an old phone, which was not a smartphone, of course. And I think it is pretty good compared to the fact that it's clicked in a back camera. And caption, imperfection is beauty, madness is fun, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Sorry for my absolutely shitty accent, but yeah, I think this one, and I have googled this one also. I'm pretty sure everyone used to Google. It's not a crime. Google. In this photo, I made a pout, and I am absolutely horrible in that. And I just did it, and I also wrote a caption with that weird. I'm okay with it. And I clearly remember I copied this caption from someone else's photo, and made sure that I blocked them afterwards and made sure that they can never see my caption. Oh my god. One is from 2016, and I clearly remember I took this photo in my new smartphone which I got recently, and it's from 2016. So I guess I was in class 11, because when I got my first smartphone, I was in class 11. So I clicked this photo, and as you can see, my hair is extremely messy. I was sitting in front of the window, and I just randomly took it and uploaded it in the Facebook, because I just got a new smartphone and I had to upload a new photo, and so yeah, there is no caption in it. So let's just go see the next one. This one, as you can see, it's also from 2016, which means that it's also clicked from a new smartphone. And I clearly remember that I got ready, and I was going somewhere, and before that I clicked this photo, because going out and not because getting ready to go out and not clicking a photo is absolutely not a thing, or was not a thing back then, I guess. And I have no caption. I actually have a caption, but there's a little heart emoji, and yeah, that's it. I actually like this one. It's also one of my favorites, and I still have that dress. I just don't wear it, but yeah, this photo is good. Next one is also from 2016, and as you can see, I was extremely active on Facebook at that time, unlike now. And I remember clicking this photo on B612. The app was really very popular back then. I don't know if it's popular now. At least I don't use the app now. So I also have a caption here: deal with your problems before they deal with your happiness. Okay, Google, of course. And I am thankful that, thank God, I have not used any short form of your or with or happiness or they, or I don't know, it's just a proper caption, and the photo is also good. My photos are not that bad on Facebook actually. They're decent. Okay, so this one is from 2016. It's from our little trip to Bishnupur, and as you can see, I am here with my mother, and the photo is extremely sweet, and I have tagged her. And Snapchat was really a thing back then, and I think it's still now, but I am not on Snapchat and all, so I don't really know, but the photo is extremely sweet, I think. Okay, so if you are into Harry Potter and stuff, you are familiar with this photo's caption. I actually like this photo very much. I find it very much aesthetic and all. You can see the sunlight is coming and my hair is like that, and I just pushed my hair back and I just clicked this photo. I remember me and my mother was going somewhere. We were going out of Kolkata back then, I guess. It's from 2018. We were going somewhere, and the sunlight was coming and from the window, and I took the opportunity and clicked this photo. And this photo is the last photo or last DP that I have updated on Facebook. It's on 2019, and as you can see, the caption says, after almost a year. I wrote so because the last time I updated my DP before this one was in 2018, and it's from 2019, so it's almost after a year. And this is also a favorite photo of mine. I am in a traditional outfit. My hair is all messy and that. My mother actually clicked this photo of mine. I was standing in the terrace, and I asked her that, "Ma, can you please click a photo of mine? I actually look kind of good today." And she said, "Why not?" And that's how this photo ended. And yeah, it's good. Next status is also from 2016. Let's see. It's 2016 and now also people stare at you if you wear a knee length skirt. Wow. Well, if I could meet my 2016 year self, basically my 16-year-old self, I would like to say her that the situation is still the same. People have still not stopped staring at your knee or your body whenever you walk through the road. And yeah, I don't know exactly when the situation will change. I really have no idea. Next one is a direct jump from 2016 and to 2020. I I guess I haven't uploaded much status in between these years because I just couldn't find them. This one is from 22 March 2020, just when the government has announced lockdown, and I have written এখন স্টেটাসে বোর্ড লিখে পরে যদি কলেজে গিয়ে কানের সামনে বাড়ি যাব বলে ঘ্যান ঘ্যান করিস তাহলে ধরে কেলাবো issued in public interest. Okay, this post actually means that basically the government had just announced lockdown and people, unlike me, were actually getting bored. I do not I still don't get bored staying at house, but they did, and they still don't out, and they used to upload getting bored in home, getting bored in Hana Tana kind of status, and I just wrote this one basically pointing towards them and say that you are riding bored now in your status, and if when college reopens, and do not really come and say me that I want to go home, because when you had the time of staying, the opportunity of staying at home and enjoying your peaceful time away from people, you actually wrote bored, getting bored in your status, in your WhatsApp status, in your Facebook status, and wherever, then I will beat you up. Okay, no violence. No violence targeted or anything. It's just a status. It's just a joke. Next one is also from 2020. I have written, now that Bomkesh is back, I want Malguri days also. Totally agree with that because you see, it's from March and the lockdown had just begun, and government, not really government, different old shows such as Ramayana and Mahabharata and Bomkesh Bokshi were airing back in TV, and people were really watching it. They were really interested to catch up on old shows, and with that I really wanted to see Malguri days also on TV. Like, it is a very good TV show. My father actually had introduced me to Malguri days, and I love that show, and I wished they also air that TV show too. Yeah. Finally, this one is the last post that I'm going to share today. It's from 23rd March 2020. I wrote, ও কাকু রাস্তাঘাট খালি করতে বলেছিল, আপনি বাজারে সবজিগুলো খালি করছেন কেন? Again, a pretty sarcastic status. Actually, again I'm saying that as I said earlier, that during March the government had announced the national lockdown, and people were too worried about the situation, that what if all their stocks about vegetables and other stuffs at home gets over, and so they were just going to marketplaces and they were just buying more goods than they actually require. And that is why they're just like, suppose a person actually required 5 pieces of vegetables, I'm just saying that as an example, but what they were doing is that they, instead of buying only 5, they were actually buying 20 pieces together, and they were just stocking it. So this is a pretty sarcastic remark to them that government has asked to empty the roads. Stay at home. But why are you emptying the marketplaces? Think about other people too. What are they going to buy if you're going to take everything? So yeah, that was last post. So that was it for today. I dig up some of my old photos and posts from Facebook, and I hope you like this video. And if you did, please hit the like button and comment down below how you felt about it, and please share it. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. And I am not really active on Facebook. I don't plan on coming back on Facebook, but I am there on Instagram. So if you want, you can just check out my profile and follow me there. I will link my Instagram my Instagram account below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.